guys, I am on my way to Camp Charlie. It's a campsite here in Pangil, Laguna, Philippines. And I'm going to do a little bushcrafting and camping. So do join me. Thanks a lot. We're on our way now to the campsite. If you notice, the road is kind of foggy. That is normal here in the mountains. Fog normally comes and go. So right now, it so happens we have a lot of fog. When you enter the campsite, you are greeted by the rushing waves of the murmuring brook. So relaxing and so peaceful. You can see me right now standing right here in front of the rest house, and I'm looking down yonder, and I will camp out there on top of the hill tonight. The climate down here in Camp Charlie is always cool and foggy, as you can see. Fog here is intermittent. That's why people love to come over and camp, because they have the feeling as if they're in Baguio or in Benguet, famous in the Philippines for its foggy nature and cool weather. It's been a big day. Thank you for coming along with me in this adventure. Good night. Cheers. Fog here in Camp Charlie is not uncommon. It is normal. That's why people are always asking, you have fog there in Camp Charlie? I'm always saying, yes, we do. While cooking, I'm listening to the radio, AM band, And this radio was given to me by a friend. So I'm just enjoying and delighting in the nostalgic feel of listening to this AM band radio. As a bushcrafter and camper, I try my best as much as possible to buy the best equipment and cookware like cast iron, carbon steel skillets, titanium cookware to make things more pleasurable when camping in the mountains or what have you. we'll have coffee again and sunny side up for merienda. I am cooking rice right now on a butane stove. This butane stove is infrared, meaning to say it doesn't have any flames, so there's no need to contend with strong winds. Well, pretty soon the sun is down and it's getting dark. Time to cook dinner. So it's finally nighttime now here in the mountains. So thank you for joining me, coming along, and having you guys join me in my adventure, my camping, my cooking, bushcrafting, what have you, whatever you call it. So catch you soon. Thanks a lot and God bless. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This will very much help the channel. Thank you very much.